Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to buy and sell on Webull, a popular online trading platform. To get started, you need to download and install the Webull app on your device or access the website. Create an account by providing the required information, including your name, email address, and phone number, and verify your identity. Once your account is set up, you need to fund it by linking your bank account or using other payment methods. Webull offers various funding options, including wire transfers, ACH transfers, and more. Make sure to review the fees associated with each funding method before making a decision. To buy a stock on Webull, navigate to the market page and search for the stock you want to purchase. You can use the search bar or browse through the various categories, such as popular stocks or industry trends. Once you find the stock, click on it to view its details, including the current price, trading volume, and market analysis. Next, click on the buy button and enter the number of shares you want to purchase. You can also set a limit order, which allows you to specify the price at which you want to buy the stock. Review your order carefully before submitting it, as Webull offers real-time trading and your order will be executed immediately. To sell a stock on Webull, follow the same steps as buying, but click on the sell button instead. You can also set a limit order or use the stop-loss feature to automatically sell your stock when it reaches a certain price. Make sure to review your order before submitting it, as selling a stock will close your position and transfer the funds to your account. Webull also offers various trading tools and features, including technical analysis charts, real-time market data, and news feeds. These tools can help you make informed investment decisions and stay up to date with market trends. Additionally, Webull offers a paper trading feature, which allows you to practice trading with virtual money before investing real funds. In conclusion, buying and selling on Webull is a straightforward process that requires some basic knowledge of trading and investing. By following these steps and using the various tools and features offered by Webull, you can start trading and investing in the stock market with confidence. Remember to always review your orders carefully and stay informed about market trends to make the most of your investment.